In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Webmail in Siteground in just 5 minutes. If you've ever found yourself needing to check your email via Siteground, but aren't sure where to start, you've come to the right place. Follow along with me to get set up quickly and efficiently. First things first, we'll begin by opening your internet browser and heading over to the Siteground homepage at world.siteground.com. It's crucial you start here because this is the main portal to access all of Siteground's services, including your webmail. Once you've landed on the Siteground homepage, take a look at the top right corner. You'll notice a login button. Go ahead and click on it. This will guide you to the next step where you can enter your credentials. Remember, having your login information at hand is key since you'll need it to access your account. After successfully logging in, you're going to want to navigate to your Siteground account dashboard. Look for a link or button that says My Siteground Account. Clicking this will take you to a personal landing page specifically tailored for managing your Siteground services. Now that you're in your account dashboard, the next move is to locate the Site Tools option. It's often found under the website section. Click on this to proceed to the detailed management interface for your hosted sites. This is where the magic happens, so it's an essential part of the process. With Site Tools open, your attention should be directed to the sidebar or menu area. Look for the email tab and give it a click. This section is specifically designed to manage all things related to your email setup within Siteground, making it the hub for everything email related. Within the email section, you'll see a number of different options. What you need to do next is click on Accounts. This widens your view into all the current email accounts associated with your Siteground hosting, allowing you to manage them more effectively. Once you're in the Accounts section, you should see an option that says Manage Email Accounts. Click on this link to move ahead. It brings up several actionable options for each email account you have, including settings, usage, and more. Now look for the button labeled Log into Webmail within the interface. Clicking here will take you directly into the Webmail service tied to your Siteground account, granting you full access to send, receive, and manage your email correspondences. Finally, to dive into your inbox, locate and click on the Mail option within Webmail. This is the last step, and upon doing so, you'll find yourself in your email inbox, fully set up and ready to go. By the time we've completed these steps, you should have no problem accessing your webmail through Siteground. It's a straightforward process once you know where to look, so next time you need to check your email, these steps will get you there in no time. Happy emailing,